Hi all. Today I am going to prepare cranberry juice as well as cranberry jam. Yesterday I went to Tesco supermarket where I could find cooking cranberries. Usually cranberries are found in the months of from October to December, that is during the Thanksgiving period of the year. So these are the fresh cranberries packed in a container. So I was very much interested to prepare the cranberry juice and thought of bringing to home. So first of all, I separated all the cranberries and transferred into a bowl through which I can wash it thoroughly and remove all the spoiled cranberries from it. So I was searching for any spoiled cranberries by turning it around. So I found some of the cranberries which are in dark brown shade and which are like soft. So those are to be removed. So I'm separating them, and only the fresh ones I am using for preparation of the juice as well as the jam. So we all know that cranberries are rich antioxidant fruits and they are rich in C vitamin. Usually cranberries are preferred for treating the UTI problems in most of the women. So they also support low blood pressure and also improve the heart health. So they are very beneficial and it is treated as a superfood. So I need to prepare the juice. So first of all I washed them and then put in a bowl of water and started boiling it. I also used 2 spoons of sugar because I thought when we can serve the juice we can add honey. So I avoided using lot of sugars. So I just added only 2 small spoons of sugar. So and the cranberries started boiling in the water, and after boiling for about 30 to 45 minutes, if you see the cranberries, the entire red color of the cranberries is then transferred to the water, and slowly the juice started coming out from the fruit. And we also hear the popping sound of the cranberries after some time, so which shows that the cranberries started to cook. So we hear the popping sound as we hear in the popping of popcorn. So similarly we find this, and we also know that berries are to the class or belong to the class of other blueberries, strawberries, etc. It belongs to the berries family. We also know that cranberries help in preventing the liver disease and also improve the eyesight, and they help the cardiovascular health. So it's always beneficial to have a fresh juice of cranberries whenever it is available in the season, because it's always told that having juices in the seasons in which the fruits are available is always beneficial to the health. So I did this in the evening, so I kept it aside for the whole night, and next day morning I strained it with the help of a strainer. I strained all the pulp and separated the water from it, so you can observe the delicious red berry juice prepared, and also it is cooled, and then now it is ready for bottling. So I transferred the filtered juice into a separate glass jar. This is highly concentrated juice prepared, so whenever you want to drink the juice you can serve it by adding some extra water, and also you can add a little bit of honey to improve the taste, because as I have said, the cranberries are rich sources of C vitamin, so it is little bit having the tangy taste, so you can add honey to it. And this is the way we can prepare the juice. I started squeezing the entire juice from the pulp with the help of a spoon. So in this way I started squeezing the entire juice from the pulp, and as you can see it's very delicious red cranberry juice. freshly made. So see, I have transferred the freshly made concentrated juice into the glass jar. So whenever, usually I prefer to have the breakfast with fruits and salads. So for this it's a good start. So I can drink this from tomorrow onwards or right from today. So adding little bit of honey to it, and now I can prepare the jam. So all the pulp need not be wasted. It can be grinded in a mixer thoroughly so that it is prepares into a jelly type jam. So you can add this also to a glass jar container and you can serve it whenever you want. So I have transferred into a bowl, and this I can eat along with my breakfast by adding some little bit of honey. It really tasted well. So today morning I had the breakfast with this pulp and one fresh glass of cranberry juice.